Hi everybody. As you can see, the boys enjoying the music. We just arrived at Vista Mall, specifically with the reason of buying the boys something. We're going to go in, and once we get inside I'll show you what we're getting and the reason why we come back to it. So I'll just have a go at these two. Come on boys, this way. Come on boys.
I'm done.
I'll just go in the entrance now, up the escalator, and I'll be back to you in a minute. Hi everybody, right, we're inside Vista, going specifically to the toy area. Let's see, right, obviously the kids know where it is, so we've come specifically to get something we bought already here. Didn't get in, just bear with me. We can only get here, and for anybody that watched one of Mike's earlier videos, we managed to find this new building plastic block. Never seen it before, and we bought a bag and he tried it and he absolutely adored it. And he hasn't stopped using it, and his brother Daniel, who's not really a Lego person, and you know that Michael is because he builds Lego City, is using it as well. So I've just come to see if they've got any left. It keeps them happy and it keeps them quiet. I don't know where they've gone. I think they're up here. Have you found it, boys? Where is it? Oh, you've got it. Right, so that's the one, isn't it? Let me show the people which one it is. This is the one, Blocks and Crafts. It's very similar, but it slides in, and it's all different shapes, and it's really, really good. There's no instructions, which is brilliant because they use their imagination. I'm just looking underneath, they've got the ordinary building block, but we've got enough of them. So I'm just going to get the boys. Let's have a look how much they are. Let's have a look. My God, they're $2.49. I thought they were cheaper than that. They must have put the price up. It's coming on Christmas here, of course. It's October. So okay. Michael, have a look around here. See what they're doing with this lot. Michael, where are you? Michael, where are you? Here, do you want to get some? Get one for... Here. There they are.
I don't know what to choose.
No, we came specifically for this. Well, that's good, isn't it? Kids in a candy shop. Let's have a look, see what else they want to find, see if they can... I'll be back in a minute when they've made their mind up. Back again now. Michael's found quite a few new things. Come and show us which one it is you want, Michael. Daniel, where are you going now? Come on. Daniel's found everything in the shop that he wants. Let's have a look at it, Mike. Okay, so that's the same system as you've got at home, yeah, but just a bigger bag. Okay, fine. Where's Daniel gone? Daniel, where are you?
Daniel, you're ready. Look, I found. I said you're ready. Look, I found.
No, I'm not buying anything like that. Which one did you say you wanted, Daniel? What's he found now? What is it? Oh, that's nice. What's it say? Happy what? Show us the bag, son.
Happy.
Oh, okay, it's got everything on it, yeah? Burgers and stuff like that. Okay, you sure that's the one you want?
Yeah.
Right, okay, well don't ask me to borrow his blocks again, will you? Alright. Right, you happy with them then, boys, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've got a couple of other places to go. And what we'll do, get them all paid for, we'll be back home later on, and let's see how they get on with those. Thanks for watching, I'll speak to you in a bit. Right everybody, right, that's done and dusted. So we're just going to go back. We've got to stop off at a couple of places. Might go to the garden, give him that, will you please? And then we should be back home later today, and we'll see what we can build with it. But all good plans of, what is it, mice and men or something like that, I don't know, but they came with the intention of getting the same thing. And Daniel of course has said something different, but it's not a problem. We'll see what he does with that. So right, give it to the guard, Mike, so we can stamp it. Go on. It's a really nice smell, this. I don't know if anybody lives in the vicinity of Vista on the road out of Naga towards Legazpi. So that might do the honours.
Thank you.
Brother Mike, yeah. Go on, out you go. Yeah, it's Taekwondo, Mike. Daniel, you'd like that, so you think you're a ninja or Spider-Man. Your dad used to do that, and Richard used to do it as well, Mike. Richard was very good. He was a black belt when he was 11, but he was a well recognised one, not a club one. So there you go, very talented kid. I think you'd be perfect doing that, Daniel, wouldn't you? Hey? Well, they don't teach you to be a ninja, Michael. It's self-defense. But in Daniel's case, it's just something he can use as a thug. Okay, right, let's make a way out. Let's see if we can get a taxi. That's the only problem round here. You're just trying to get a taxi and I've lost the boys. I don't know where they've gone. Mum, have you seen the boys? Do you know where my boys are? I can't find them. I'm going now. Hang on, I've just seen something. Do you know where my boys are, anybody? No internet, but I'm trying to find the boys. I don't know where the hell they've gone, so I don't know where they are. Does anybody seen two kids? Do you know where they are? Oh my God! What are you doing behind there, boys?
Hiding from Dada's auntie that he remembered.
Right, well I've been looking for you. How long have you been there?
Just for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay. But don't disappear again, do you? Because I'm waiting for the taxi. Hi everybody, right, we've just arrived back home and Daniel's already torn the bag apart. And as you can see, just starting. Michael, get your bag of, I don't even know what you call them, the new stuff. And just show everybody that it's in the bag. Okay, can you, okay, keep it still. There you go. So, Mummy, can you help him open it, please?
Give it to me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Daniel, what are you going to make? A picnic, son? Is that you've
Open it
got?
a little bit, okay?
It shows everything you can make.
Oh, has it got instructions in there? Got ideas, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well, get on with it then, Mike. I'll leave you to it because you've done it before. And we'll get back to you. Daniel, give us a shout when you've made whatever it is you're making, yes?
Yes.
Oh. All right, Michael, where's he gone now?
needs to get something.
Typical of your brother. Right, Daniel, what is it that you've actually got? Is that a pizza, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and what else have you got? Oh, right, what's that, Michael? Is that what you made with the other lot?
Yes.
These are actually, what Michael's got is relatively new. He's into making Lego City, as I mentioned before, in a big, big way, but there's no new stuff come out at the moment, but we find this, and he likes it. So I'll let him get on with it, and let's see what they do. And Daddy will get something to eat. So we'll come back to them. So you're going to be all right now, boys?
No, I want you to do video.
And your mum's there, Michael, if you need to. Are you going to use those new pieces or what?
Yes.
All right, well,
But
leave
I'm
it to
going to take everything, the one we built, and then just mix them up.
Okay. But do you know what you're going to make?
Something huge.
All right, I'll let you get on with it and see what happens. Okay. You're going to be all right there, Daniel, yes?
Yes.
Good. Hi, everybody. Finally got back. The boys very, very tired. I am very, very hot. And they had a break and something to eat. But they're still busy away, and even Daniel's involved now. So, I don't know what that is. Oh, what's that you've made, Michael?
It looks like an airplane.
Let's have a look. Hold it up. We can't see that way. Hold it up the other way. Oh, it looks like a stealth bomber, yes?
Yes, but when we make it huge, it's a volcano.
Oh, it's a volcano now, is it?
Yes.
Okay, well that's good. Daniel, what
Like
are you...
these little dinosaurs, like Triceratops and Brachiosaurus, and the volcano is here, which is Spinosaurus.
Well, it was. Daniel's nicked it.
But that's okay, yeah?
Daniel, what are you making, sunshine? Daniel,
And
what...
this Brachiosaurus was seen of the Lego volcano.
Daniel's given up with his picnic. He's on the block. Daniel, what are you making, son?
And then the volcano exploded, and then they get away from the volcano.
Oh, okay. But we can't see it. Can you turn it round? There you go. That's a volcano then, and not a stealth bomber, no?
No, that's
Okay.
a volcano. But when it's a toy, we call it Lego volcano. When it's real, we call it volcano.
Oh, okay. So it's Lego volcano. Daniel, what are you making? Because it looks very good.
Mine is huge.
Well, I'm sorry. It's like trying to get a blood out of the stone with Daniel. He just does it. Looks like a robot, Daniel. Is that a robot, son? Well, what is it then? Anyway, at the end of the day, people, thank you very much for watching. It's just an experiment with these kids on... well, I can't even remember the name of it, but it really, really is a good alternative to the Lego block system. Oh my God, that robot's got long legs, Daniel. Go on then, see if you can stand it up. Will it stand up, Daniel? There, his legs fell off. Where's his arms gone? Oh, there you go. That's Daniel. He smashes everything up. All right, Michael. So, Michael, I ask you a question. Do you like this system?
Yes.
Alright.
Because I love it. I love everything. All the toys large because I want that on Christmas, on birthday.
All right. So, what do you think, Daniel? Is that good, that there? Well, you can't cut it up with a knife. Daniel's a mass murderer here. He's cutting everything up with a knife. It's getting silly time now, people. So, thank you very much for watching. What do you say, boys?
Bye-bye.
Daniel, what do you say? Nothing as usual. This kid never shuts up, but when you want him to speak, he doesn't. Okay. Daniel, what do you say? Alright, people, thanks very much. I hope you, if you like or even watch this, please just hit the like button and subscribe. And remember these kids' backgrounds. That's all I would ask you. And we share the love with everybody. Take care. Bye-bye now. Alright, just before we go, Daniel, although he gets new toys and that, he's just got his own game. And it's called, what's that game called, Daniel?
Sliding cars.
Down the chair. Yeah. And Mike's added to his stealth bomber, Michael.
Huh?
What's that?
A volcano.
It's not a volcano, it's an airplane, isn't it?
Volcano.
Okay, well mine, let's have a look what Daniel's doing.
Doo-doo.
Daniel, what are you smashing up now? Daniel gets this mental block. I'm going to tell him he's on YouTube all the time and then he shuts up. Is that right, Daniel? Alright, that's the end of it because Daniel's just being a Daniel. So good night, Michael. That's lovely.
Night.
That's lovely, that baby boy. What are you doing now? School teachering again, are you?
Yeah. Doo-doo-doo.
Well, not tonight, you're not, son, because you're going to bed, okay?
Okay, Mr. Papaya.
Alright, see you in the morning, everybody.
Okay.
If anybody wants to take these kids for 24 hours, please send me a message and you can have them, okay? Bye-bye.